Hey guys, you can't have the 4th of July without guns, loud noise, and the red, white, and blue. Let's get to shooting. Hey guys, so today we're going to be shooting some exotic shotgun shells from Reaper Defense. And the first ones we're going to be shooting are called Beehive. Each shell has 20 .32 caliber pellets. And let's get to shooting them. Don't forget your hearing protection. So the first thing we're going to shoot with these Beehive rounds is a target, and then we're going to shoot a jug of water. So let's get to it. It did go through the target, so now let's try the jug of water. So it does look like that it hit the jug of water, but it didn't go through it because of the pressure of the water. So I would count these as a non-lethal shotgun shell. The next shells we're going to be using are called triple decker. What they are is they are 9 large metal pellets. So let's see what they can do. Alright guys, so with the triple decker shells, the first thing we're going to shoot is going to be a target, and then we're going to shoot a water jug and then a small watermelon. So let's get to it. Man, those things made a hole in that target. Let's see what they can do to a water jug. Man, that thing exploded. Let's see what it does to a small watermelon. Whoa, that thing exploded too. I would count the triple decker shells as lethal. These things, if an intruder comes in, man, they better watch out, because that's gonna hurt. This is what the triple decker shells did. It destroyed that watermelon. It cut that can really well. And then it exploded that water jug. So that's why I count these as a lethal shotgun shell. So the next shells that we have are called Boom Boom. What they are is a 182 decibel concussion round. So I'm not going to be shooting anything with these, but let's see how loud they are. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a regular round, and then I'm going to compare it to the concussion round to see which is louder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot one regular round, a concussion round, and then another regular round and 2 more concussion rounds to see what happens. Let's do this. First up, regular round. Now, concussion round. Man, these things are small, but man, they are super loud. No wonder they call them the concussion rounds. So, if you have an intruder and you want to deafen them, that's definitely the round for you. Alright guys, so the last exotic shotgun round that I'm going to be using is called Phoenix Burst. And what this is it's a equivalent to the Dragon's Breath, and underneath the name it says will produce fire. So let's see what happens. This is what I call redneck fireworks. Fire. 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 Ready? Aim. Fire.